Okay. Oh. Okay. We get back to the 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 main performance. So is this Ukraine? I kind of like the performance because it just looks so beautiful. Everything is beautiful. I'm not really a huge fan of the song, but right now it's just really a beautiful song. I'm still making a live stream video just to save one thing in here. Ziferblat? What? Well, I don't understand. But here we are to Ukraine. Bird of Prey by Ziferblat. Oh, it was the group name. I'm sorry. I'm really into this Ariana Grande part.